Dusk settles over a meadow. Then the grass begins to glow, not one light, but hundreds, pulsing together in waves. A living constellation at ground level. No conductor, no central clock, yet the flashes fall into rhythm as if the field itself is breathing. Left, a dark world where vision fails and mates must find each other across open ground. Right, an abdomen built like a tiny chemical lamp, oxygen, luciferin, and an enzyme turning stored energy into cold light on demand. In a dark meadow, sound carries poorly and scent scatters. Visual flashes become the signal, but a lone blink in the black is easy to miss. Males need a display loud enough to be seen, precise enough to say the right species, and time to cut through the noise of night. Bioluminescence is not heat and flame, it is controlled chemistry. A male climbs to a display perch, fires a species-specific rhythm, and waits. Females watch from the grass, reading timing and pattern before answering with their own flash. Inside the light organ, luciferin meets luciferase in the presence of oxygen and ADP. The reaction releases photons, light without burning. Different species tweak the chemistry slightly, shifting color from yellow-green to amber, each hue another line in the visual code. Each species carries its own flash grammar, interval length, burst count, pause duration. Males compete on brightness and precision, repeating the code from a visible perch. Get the timing wrong, and the signal reads as noise, not invitation. In some species, thousands of males gather along riverbanks and meadows. Alone, each beetle flashes on its own clock. Together, something else appears. Waves of light sweeping through the crowd, everyone blinking in near unison without a leader. The mechanism is local, not global. Each firefly watches its neighbors. See a flash, wait a beat, then fire your own. Enough insects doing that simple rule, and the whole meadow locks into rhythm, emergent order from pairwise timing alone. Here is the twist that reframes the whole display. Synchronized flashing may confuse predators. A bat or frog hunting by single blink motion struggles when the entire meadow strobes at once. The crowd's rhythm hides individuals inside a moving wall of light. Fireflies evolved bioluminescence long before meadows filled with spectators. What began as a mating beacon became timing, species ID, and possibly collective defense. Chemistry converted to signal, signal refined by crowds into synchronized light. Recap: dark meadows demand visual signals. Luciferin chemistry produces cold light. Males broadcast species-specific timing. Neighbors reset each other's clocks. Crowds pulse in emergent sync, and the wave may hide individuals from hunters. Light as language, rhythm, and shield. That is Season 2 of Kingdom Sketch. Sound in the dark, independent eyes, ocean homing, hover flight, and synced light. If these diagrams changed how you see the living world, subscribe. More kingdoms to sketch soon.